you one here, pepper. And then put you also give you sauce. When you're in a rush, that's what you're gonna do. And then you on your arm and cook it low. When you cook it low in the oven, then you can wait to eat after. Now put onion after this.